Hi Harry, you can see here a nice picture and I'm going to paint it and complete the painting here. So it's in the water, just like the sea, and the sky is red for the evening sky. You can see a lighthouse on the side of the drawing, and it's just on the top on an island. Okay, you can see the lights blinking on the top here. All right. So now I'm going to do the details on the top here, just putting some black color on top and doing the side railings. Okay, so just putting it under frame. Okay, so putting the frame here. All right, and the railing is going to be on the side like this, using a very thin brush strokes to draw the lines. Okay. All right, so the bordering just completed. Okay, and for the reflection of the lighthouse on the water, just putting a continuous strokes on the water, so you can see which is going through from the island to the other areas. So that's just adding the more details to the drawing here. Uh-huh. All right, so in that case, if it's a little bit darker, then we're going to add the white color and just reduce the darkness, mixing up with the painting color which was previously put it here. Okay, so blue is the color we just usually add for the reflections on the water lines here. Let's put more blue here. Okay, all right, so that looks like the reflections. And for the sun, we're going to use the yellow color in the sky, and the reflections of the sun's reflections and the water is going to be the yellow too. So let's put the color just in the horizon. So we're just making it as round as possible. And for the blur effect of the sun, just mixing it within the sky's limit, just making it more natural. And you can see the reflections coming up like this one. So the yellow tone just continues from the top and coming just to the other corners of the painting. And as you know, because the sky is you can see here the orange color, so we are adding little more orange for the special effects. Orange, adding orange here. right? So orange is just mixing up with the yellow and making the effect more lively. Mhm. Okay, all right, now we are going to put some birds fly in the sky, and that's going to be very easy way, just drawing two lines, just follow the steps on the sky, and that's showing the birds flying in the sky. So as you know, usually the few birds fly in the sky all together, so not only one single one, lots of them. Awesome. Okay, and let's put the color at the last end. The effect is going on, right? Okay, all right, so that's the drawing. Very simple, very easy. Thanks for staying with us, and if you can see, it's very easy and very wonderful. Doesn't take much time. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.